SEO is so important to you, your business, and the impact that you have on this world. And I'm going to tell you why right now. Hi you guys, Caitlin Strempel here at Rising Ranks Digital, and today we're going to chat about why SEO is so important for you and your business. There are so many different reasons, and the first one is credibility. When you get your website to the top of Google, if Google understands you enough and trusts you enough to put you to the top, then other people are going to see that and trust you as well. Google has trust in you, other people have trust in you. A lot of people are turning to Google to find answers, and whatever pops up is what they are going with. So the closer you can get to the top, the more credibility you have. This is for your business, the services that people are searching for that might not otherwise find you. So let's say you're a hairstylist. So let's say they're searching for hair salon Phoenix. You want to make sure that you show up for that, for those services. Another place to show up is if people actually have found you elsewhere and then they search your name. So a lot of people, before they make the investment in you, they go and they search for your name and your company. Go Google yourself right now and Google your company. What is showing up? Are you taking over the entire first page? Do you have photos from an old blog from high school? Pay attention to what is showing up when you type in your name. If something is off-brand, that could hurt your credibility. Or, if somebody types in your name and you have a bunch of publications showing up and articles and a lot of credible press around you, people are really going to be drawn to you and want to work with you. So it helps you get found for your services. It helps people trust you, services that you offer, and also your name and your brand name as a whole. All right, so when you're at the top of Google, this next thing happens, which is also a great benefit. It's that you drive traffic to your website on autopilot with no money. You don't have to have any money in ads. So a lot of time, you can purchase ads and it gets you to the top of Google. However, when the ads go away, so does the traffic. The click-through rate is about only 2% anyway. So again, it's much more credible to be at the top of Google organically than it is with ads. When you're at the top, you literally wake up. So people have been searching you all night long. And if your website shows up, these people are going to your website. They're opting in to your email list. They are purchasing online. They are emailing you. If you don't show up for what they're searching for, they're going to go to your competitors. They're not even going to know that you exist. So it's really important for getting more clients and also for not spending as much in advertising. And then the traffic that actually comes to your website from Google, when they are looking to purchase and they actually do the research on Google themselves, they purchase within 48 hours. And that timing changes a little bit depending on the price point, but it's a solid 48 hours. That's the general consensus. And that is actually whether you're online or if you're a brick and mortar business. So these people coming to your website aren't just, the top of funnel that you technically get with Facebook ads or, any other type of awareness ad. These people are at the bottom of the purchase funnel. They are ready to pull the trigger. All right, the last one and the most important part is it really helps you change the world. And I'm going to explain this. There is an epidemic that people don't feel safe turning to their partners, talking to their partners, talking to their doctors or professionals, or even their friends. They don't feel safe, they don't feel comfortable, or they just want to be more private about it. So who are they turning to? They're turning to Google. They're turning to Google for their deepest, darkest questions that they want answers to, or their deepest issues that they really want help solving. So it more than anything, although they're turning to Google, they really do need a human touch. So it's up to you to show up for these people where they are actually searching for you. So I actually took a list and I just quickly did this and I found this within 5 minutes. So, what is out there and what they're searching for is endless. There are billions of searches a day, but these are just a few that people are searching and there's a huge search for them. So it's how to be a better person, 8,000 people per month are searching that, how to be a better person. There are so many people out there who want to help others live a better life. You need to show up for these people. Am I gay? 18,000 searches per month. How to manifest was 40,000 searches per month. And this is per month. So think about what you could get if you were up at the top of Google for an entire year. And then how to start a business. 110,000 people are searching for that online. 110,000. So you can see that these people are truly turning to Google more than anything. So if you can be the person that shows up for them first, you're going to grab their attention first, you're going to connect with them first, and you're likely going to get that purchase first. All right, you guys, if you found this helpful, please like, comment, and share this video. If you have any need or desire to have SEO done for you so you can help impact the world, check out our website at risingranksdigital.com. Have a great day.